From here, really ground through your feet on the mat. Really push them down. So what we've done before, we're standing on the mat, lift your toes. Feel how the corners of your feet are pushing into the floor. And stay here. Keep your shoulders low. Take one more breath here. And then really slow, start to push all your weight or sink all your weight into your left leg. So automatically, your right foot starts to lift. So we can play here a little bit, moving our feet back and moving our right foot back and forward on the mat. Maybe lift the knee and drop the knee. But don't sink into either hip. Really try to stay straight. And start to lift the knee. And drop. See how you feel. How's your balance today? And if you're ready, if you have it in you, grab the outside of your right foot, bring it to the inside of your left thigh. And while you do so, really activate your left thigh. Really push it towards your foot and your right foot into your thigh. So you're standing up straight, not sinking into your hips. Standing up straight, active in your left thigh. Now, if you can't come all the way up, that's all right. You can bring your foot to your shin or to your ankle. Leaving your toes on the mat. Feel what's comfortable to you today. Stay here. If 3 pose is too easy, it's also an option. You can bring the back of your foot on your left thigh. Only 3 pose is too easy. I'm going to stay here. Bring your hands in front of your chest. Maybe bring your hands out into a T shape or arms up high. Really keep pushing into your left thigh. Keep it active. It's an easy thing to forget. And breathe. Maybe smile. Try to find a focus point in front of you. Find your balance. Take one more breath. If you fall out, just get back into it. And draw up your hands. Pray your hands in front of your chest. Lift the knee back up. And slowly descend. Move both legs. Work out any kinks. Working hard in the legs. Same on the other side. First, really ground down through your feet.